Tell me what you're gonna be like when you're 80.
Get that damn camera out of my face. Brookie, forgot your damn name. I don't get that damn tired. You've been taking pictures for 25 fucking years. Turn it off.
Do y'all want to watch TV? You can if you want.
Yeah, they're just walking around. I don't think. No.
Ooh. You don't want that, honey. Yeah.
Please get
Want some
that
marshmallows?
damn thing.
Okay, Brooke, that's enough.
I was liking it. Keep going.
I knew you'd grow up and never amount to anything, you worthless piece of shit. I'll get that damn camera out of my face before I take it from you. Get it out. I said, get it out. Get it out of my face right now. You freaking deaf? Get the damn camera out of my face.
Talk about what you said a minute ago, and I was like, when you start acting like that, I'll hit you.
What was I
You were like,
No.
say it. Say it once. Come on, I gotta send this to Amanda later. Say it.
No,
Come on, she's gonna love it. Say it. Say it.
I don't remember exactly what.
Yeah, you were like,
You slap me again, you fucking bitch.
you were such a douchebag.
Yeah, I want to see what you video.
No, I want you to keep going so we have more to watch.
We need to start. Get that thing out of my face. Trying to take a nap. I'm an old bastard. Taking a nap. Told you not to video me while I was resting. Just 'cause you stay up the whole effing night.
Stop. Okay, that's enough.
Are you done? Any last words? How about the one picture that...
Yeah, I got some last words.